वो दोबारा करना पड़ेगा ना सर? ओके सर, यस बेटा। नाउ we will solve next question beta related to beta three variable solution of system of linear equations by matrix method in three variables. लिखो बेटा question given that what is given beta? given है बेटा 3x minus 2y minus 2y plus 3z z is equal to beta 8. It is your equation first. Next equation is beta 2x plus y, sorry, 2x plus y minus z is equal to 1, and then beta 4x minus 3y minus 3y plus 2z is equal to beta 4 is equal to 4. It is your third equation. Yes beta. You have to solve the system of linear equations by matrix method. In other words, you can say that using the inverse of a matrix beta. Yes. देखो बेटा, now it can be written in the form AX is equal to beta B, where your A is equal to beta 3 minus 2, 3, 2, 1 minus 1, 4 minus 3 and beta 2, and your X is equal to beta X, Y, Z, and your B is equal to beta 8, 1 and 4. Yes beta? Yes. Now, so your X is equal to A inverse beta B. It is your equation fourth beta. Yes beta. Now, find out determinant A. Determinant A, write down it in the determinant form beta. 3 minus 2, 3, 2, 1 minus 1, 4 minus 3 and beta 2, and then determinant A is equal to beta 3 and then beta 1 minus 1 minus 3 and beta 2 minus into beta minus 2, then beta 2, 4 minus 1 and beta 2 and plus 3 is equal to beta 2, 4 and then beta 1 minus 3 beta. So your determinant A is equal to beta 3 into beta 2 minus 3 beta. Minus minus plus beta 4 plus beta 4 and beta plus 3 into beta minus 6 or beta minus 4. This is equal to beta minus 1. This is equal to beta 8. This is equal to beta minus. So determinant A is equal to 3 into minus 1 beta minus 3 and beta 8 into 2 16 and there beta minus के 30 is equal to beta minus 17. It means minus 17 is not equal to beta 0. So क्या बेटा नॉन सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स, determinant A is not equal to 0, then it is a non-singular matrix, so A inverse exists beta. Yes beta, A inverse exists. Now to find out adjoint A, to find out beta adjoint A, now expand it according to beta R1. Already you have two values when you find out the determinant A as per beta according to R1. Yes beta, first row के cofactor elements A11 symbols use होंगे बेटा आप लोगों के, you will use the symbol plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. This is equal to beta R1, this is equal to beta R2 और this is equal to R3. yes बेटा, A11 symbol क्या बेटा प्लस, एलिमेंट वैल्यू क्या होगा माइनस वन इंटू में प्लस वन इज इक्वल टू बेटा 1. योर A1 टू पिक द वैल्यू फ्रॉम हियर 8, वैल्यू क्या बेटा यहाँ पे माइनस, सिंबल क्या माइनस इंटू प्लस बेटा माइनस इज इक्वल टू बेटा -8. देन बेटा A12 सिंबल क्या वहां पे पॉजिटिव, वैल्यू क्या बेटा -10, माइनस इंटू प्लस माइनस बेटा -10. नाउ एक्सपेंड अकॉर्डिंग टू R2 बेटा. यस, नाउ व्हाट इज द वैल्यू बेटा 2, यू विल टेक 2. Then these four elements also minus के 4 plus के 9 5 elements क्या बेटा होगा A21. नेगेटिव सिंबल है बेटा वहां पे. यस बेटा -4 plus 9 5 बेटा, this also be -5 बेटा. Then बेटा A22 is equal to symbol is positive. Now expand it बेटा 6 minus के 12 -6 बेटा. ओके, नेक्स्ट बेटा A23 सिंबल इज नेगेटिव. नाउ सॉल्व इट बेटा, दिस -9 और बेटा 8 -9 और +8 -1 और माइनस बेटा प्लस, दिस इज 1. नाउ एक्सपेंड अकॉर्डिंग टू बेटा R3. अंडरस्टैंड बेटा, दिस इज इक्वल टू योर A31. A31 expand according to R3, you will take 4, value beta 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 minus 1, minus into plus beta minus beta 1. Then beta your A32 symbol is here negative beta, you will take -3, expand it according to -3 or -6 beta -9 और माइनस प्लस बेटा पॉजिटिव रहेगा सिंबल बेटा. देन बेटा योर A33 पॉजिटिव बेटा, यू विल टेक दिस 3 और प्लस के बेटा 4, 3 plus 4 7 and it also be बेटा positive 7. So adjoint A is equal to beta transpose of the cofactor matrix. What is that cofactor? 1 minus 8 beta minus 10 and then beta yes beta -5, then beta -6 and then 1 and then beta -1 9 and beta 7 transpose of this cofactor matrix. और this is equal to beta 1 minus में 8 beta, yes beta -10 -5 -6 1 -1 9 and beta 7. It is the adjoint A beta, transpose of the cofactor. It is the cofactor matrix and is the transpose of the cofactor matrix and is equal to beta adjoint A. Now what is A inverse? Now what is A inverse? A inverse is equal to beta 1 upon में determinant A into beta adjoint A and determinant A is not equal to beta 0. ऑलरेडी मैंने मेंशन कर रखा है कि A inverse एग्जिस्ट करता बिकॉज ऑफ द determinant A is not equal to beta 0. Its value is -17 beta. Understand beta? So A inverse implies that your A inverse is equal to -1 upon में beta 17 what is the value of the adjoint A? Adjoint A is equal to beta 1 minus 5 minus 1 minus 8 minus 6 and beta 9 minus 10 1 and beta 7. Understand beta? It is the value of A inverse. अब कहां पे जाएंगे बेटा? फोर्थ इक्वेशन पे जाएंगे. फ्रॉम 4 बेटा, from 4, what is your x? X is equal to beta A inverse B. Now put the value of x is equal to beta A inverse. What is A inverse beta? 1 upon beta 17 into A. Yes beta, write down the value of beta this a complete value of the A inverse. 1 minus k 5 minus 1 beta minus 8 minus 6 9 and beta minus 10 1 and beta 7 and write down the value of the B. What is the value of B? 8 1 and 4 beta. Understand beta? Clear है? So implies that beta, yes beta, x is equal to minus 1 upon my beta 17. Yes beta, write down R1 multiply to C1 beta. Yes beta, 8, yes beta, minus 5 minus 1 beta. This also is minus 1. This also is beta minus 1. This also is beta minus 1. This also beta minus 1. Understand beta? Yes. Now write down here beta minus 1 minus 5 and beta minus 4. Next beta minus 64. Yes beta minus 6 और बेटा प्लस में बेटा 36. नेक्स्ट बेटा minus 80 एंड देन बेटा प्लस में 1 और प्लस में बेटा 28. अंडरस्टैंड बेटा? यस. अंडरस्टैंड बेटा? ओके. नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट. So write down here beta this x is equal to this. Okay beta, use next page beta. So your x is equal to beta minus 1 upon my 17 into beta their sum is minus 70. Their sum is beta minus 34 when you will add, and their sum is equal to beta minus 51. Now taking multiply 1 upon k 17 inside the values beta. So your x is equal to beta 1, 2 and beta 3, and your what is the value of x? X, y and beta z, or this is equal to beta 1, 2 and beta 3. So x is equal to beta 1, y is equal to beta 2 and z is equal to beta 3. In this way you can find out the value of solution of the system of linear equation x, y and z by matrix method. In other words, you can say that using inverse of a matrix. Hence the result. And next time we will start your new topic. Your chapter is complete. It is the last topic of beta matrix and determinant. Next time we will start next chapter beta, any other chapter beta. Thank you and do your work and have a nice day. Okay beta.